Good morning to all my friends around the world. This is Captain Tarot. In today's video, we are going to see who is Kamala Harris and we will have a tarot prediction on how her introduction is going to impact the Republicans and Democrats and also how the elections will turn out for her. Kamala Harris is an American politician and a lawyer who is member of Democratic Party and is currently serving as junior US Senator from California since 2017. Her father is African American and her mother is of Indian origin. She is the first African American and the first South Asian American to be chosen as the running mate of a major party's presidential candidate. On Wednesday, Harris was announced as Joe Biden's running mate in upcoming US presidential elections scheduled in November. Biden-Harris duo is up against Donald Trump and his running mate Pence. In December 2019, Harris ran for the Democratic nomination for US president. She briefly became a front-runner before ending her campaign, citing a lack of funds to continue. So let's see what's in the cards. The first card will tell us about how the elections will go for Kamala Harris. This card is the 10 scepters. According to this card, she will take a number of journeys which will be very successful for her. So in all, the elections are going to be very fruitful for her and the cards are very much in her favor. The second card is about how these elections will go for Democrats after introduction of Kamala Harris. This card is the Two Cups. According to this card, this union is going to be very profitable for both the sides, that is for Joe Biden and for Kamala Harris both. So overall, they are going to see a successful campaign in a coming time. The third card will be how Kamala Harris's introduction will impact the Republicans. This card is the Slave of the Scepter. According to this card, unless and until the Republicans from now on give a very strong campaign and if they do not abandon their foolish projects, then this election is going to be really bad for them. So overall, the cards are much better for Harris and for Democrats rather than the Republicans. Keep watching our channel for these kind of interesting videos. This is Captain Tarot signing off for the day.